Good evening, meteorologist Caleb Seaver here at the WKRG First Alert Storm Team. Taking a look outside right now on the Mobile River. We see some clouds across the area and some low clouds there hanging in just over the port here. You can see those clouds associated with some showers we're tracking on the radar this evening. Not many, we just have one kind of area of showers right now in southern parts of Monroe County, western parts of Conecuh County. These showers moving off to the north and east towards the US 84 corridor, places like Frisco City, back towards Repton, all to the east of Alabama 59, all mostly out of Baldwin County at this point. And these showers are kind of along a stalled front. As you can see that front pretty clearly here on our temperature maps. Places closer to the coast, you're still in the middle 60s. Look at Grand Bay 62, Gulf Shore 63, Pensacola at 63 as well, while inland communities like Jackson and Monroeville, you're in the lower 50s. And as we go throughout the night, we're not going to see those temperatures change much, but that front is going to continue south, leaving us all in the middle 50s throughout the night tonight as that front sags just off the coast. So that will leave us with a slightly cooler morning. Temperatures down in the 50s tomorrow morning as we take a look here. Spotty showers, rain chances around 30% throughout the morning, so you may want to bring a rain jacket just in case if you're headed out to the bus stop tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the middle 50s, so not as cold as we've dealt with earlier this week. Tomorrow afternoon, those showers stick with us as we'll see temperatures back in the middle 60s though. Mobile 66 tomorrow, Pensacola 67, and 60s pretty much expected area-wide throughout the day tomorrow. Expect a similar forecast for your Saturday, and even though the rain chances have gone down, earlier this week is looking like we may have slightly higher rain chances for your Saturday, but if we look right now, only 30 to 40% throughout the day on Saturday if you're headed out to the Dauphin Island People's Parade. Not expecting any major weather issues, even though it was moved up an hour just in case of those rain chances. So should be good weather throughout much of your weekend. So let's talk about this system that's causing these rain chances and is simmering a big cool down in the early part of next week. So here we are tonight. There's that front we were talking about moving through the area, leaving us with those overcast skies and a shower or two. By the time we get to Friday, that front begins to come back north and we warm up, but look what's going off to the north and west. A major winter storm over parts of Arkansas, Texas, moving up into parts of northern Mississippi and northern Alabama. This winter storm will continue off to the east, but we're just left with some slightly warmer conditions. You see, we're going to be getting warmer with some late day storms on Saturday, but look what's going on over North Mississippi. Look at all that ice and sleet and freezing precipitation. Thankfully, we won't have to deal with any of that here, but we are going to have to deal with some thunderstorms. We take a look at our weather predictor. By the time we get to Sunday afternoon, we could have a line of thunderstorms moving through the area. Taking a look here, we see that line of storms moving through in the afternoon. A couple of these storms could be strong to severe. Not expecting a widespread severe weather risk, but just keep in mind we could see a damaging wind gust or two throughout the afternoon on Sunday as this line progresses off to the east. And behind this line of storms, that's our next big story, is it's going to be cold and seriously cold. Look at our high temperature graph over the next few days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we warm up to near 70 degrees, but early next week, back down into the lower to middle 40s. Nearly 20 degrees below where we normally are this time of year, and the wind chill values in the mornings could be even colder than that. Look at our forecast wind chill Monday morning, lower teens across the area. Bruton 13, Jay 13, Mobile, you're at 13 as well. Lucedale as cold as 9 degrees, and it may be slightly warmer than that, but just know we could have some seriously and even some dangerously cold conditions on the way early Monday morning and perhaps early Tuesday morning as well. So as we look at our 7-day forecast, we're going to be warm over the next few days. We see those middle 60s, so get out and enjoy it, even with those scattered rain chances, because early next week we turn very cold and very dry.